Today, we're looking at something so rare that spotting one in the wild is harder than finding a politician who voluntarily lowers his own salary. Meet the restored 1951 Lighthouse Duplex Travel trailer, a rolling masterpiece that has become the stuff of RV legend. While modern campers compete over giant televisions and enough LED lighting to guide aircraft at night, this vintage marvel reminds us that true innovation existed long before touchscreens and smartphone apps invaded every corner of life. The Lighthouse Duplex wasn't just a trailer. It was a bold statement that comfort and clever engineering could travel down the highway together. The story of the Lighthouse Duplex begins in Chicago, Illinois, where Lighthouse Trailers Co. built travel trailers from the mid-1930 through the early 1950s. The company was founded by industrial designer Richard Ten Eyck, a man also associated with the famous Vornado fan designs. During an era when America was embracing road travel and family adventures, manufacturers raced to create larger and more comfortable mobile homes. Most trailers of the period offered basic accommodation, but the duplex aimed far higher. The company wanted to create a genuine house on wheels rather than a simple vacation shelter. The result was the remarkable Duplex, a twin-axle trailer that became famous for its revolutionary two-level interior. While many vintage RVs used loft spaces with limited headroom, the Duplex featured a true second story with standing height. That achievement made it one of the most innovative, towable trailers of its era. Production numbers remain uncertain today. Historians believe thousands of Lighthouse trailers were built overall, but only a small number of duplex units ever existed. Even more astonishing is the survival rate. Experts estimate that only about 8 duplex trailers remain. That rarity places the duplex among the most desirable vintage RVs in America. One of the most famous surviving examples belongs to restoration specialist Ethan Langley of Texas. Through his company, American RV Restoration, Langley successfully restored 2 duplex trailers. The 1951 example featured here became his personal project and perhaps his greatest challenge. The restoration consumed 7 years of work, requiring endless research, fabrication, and parts hunting. By 2023, Langley finally completed the restoration. Instead of locking the trailer away in a museum, he chose to use it exactly as intended. He and his family have traveled thousands of miles and visited dozens of states with the duplex. That practical approach proves the trailer remains functional more than 70 years after leaving the factory. Technically, the Lighthouse Duplex was astonishing. Unlike motorhomes, it had no engine of its own and was designed to be towed. The trailer rode on a twin-axle chassis and measured approximately 28 feet long, or 9 meters. Despite offering 2 levels of living space, its wooden frame construction kept weight relatively low at around 6,800 pounds, equivalent to roughly 3,084 kilograms. The layout was unlike anything else on the road. The lower floor contained a full living room, a complete kitchen with dining space, and a full dry bathroom. Upstairs were 2 genuine bedrooms. Thanks to a clever dropped floor design beside the beds, occupants could stand upright in both sleeping areas. Engineers effectively created a second story without making the trailer excessively tall for highway travel. One of the most ingenious features involved the staircase. Rather than leaving it exposed, designers concealed it behind sliding doors. When closed, the staircase disappeared, creating a clean hallway between the kitchen and living room. Even today, that solution feels smarter than many modern RV floor plans. Langley preserved the original layout while discreetly adding modern conveniences. His duplex now includes ducted air conditioning, heating, a 50-amp electrical connection, powered stabilizing jacks, an anti-sway system, and upgraded storage solutions. A stone guard protects the front windows during travel, while carefully integrated climate control equipment makes long-distance touring practical in modern conditions. The design philosophy behind the 1951 Lighthouse Duplex was surprisingly modern. Instead of chasing flashy styling alone, its creators focused on maximizing usable living space. Every inch served a purpose. The dropped walkways beside the upstairs beds allowed full standing room, while cabinets below cleverly concealed the structural compromises needed to achieve it. Even today, many RV designers struggle to create such an efficient balance between size and comfort. Langley respected that original philosophy during restoration. Rather than turning the duplex into a museum piece that nobody could enjoy, he upgraded it for real-world travel. One of the most noticeable changes is the durable epoxy flooring on the lower level. It replaced carpet and proved far easier to maintain during long road trips. The mini-split climate control system was another practical addition. According to Langley, his family would never have comfortably visited 28 states in just 2 years without it. He also transformed the original space heater into a hidden sound system, proving that vintage charm and modern convenience can coexist peacefully. Many contemporary RVs are longer, wider, and packed with technology, yet few deliver the same sense of architectural creativity. Today's manufacturers often rely on slide-outs to increase interior volume. The duplex achieved remarkable spaciousness without expanding walls or mechanical system. It offered sleeping space for 4 people comfortably and up to 6 with minor modifications, all within its 28-foot footprint. The trailer also occupies a unique place in the collector market. Vintage RV enthusiasts regard surviving duplex models almost as rolling historical artifacts. Because so few remain, direct market comparisons are difficult. Unlike mass-produced classics that appear regularly at auctions, duplex trailers rarely change hands. When one surfaces, collectors pay close attention. The original olive green paint selected for Langley's trailer reflects a premium factory color option that reportedly cost an additional $1,000 when new, a substantial amount in the early 1950s. Adjusted for inflation, that option alone would represent well over $12 0 inches today's money. As for the trailer itself, period luxury travel trailers often cost as much as a modest house. Exact factory pricing for this specific unit remains difficult to verify today, which only adds to its mystery. Because restored duplex trailers almost never reach public auction, there is no widely documented record of a major auction sale from houses such as Meckham Auctions or Barrett-Jackson. Current market estimates vary dramatically depending on originality and restoration quality, but enthusiasts generally agree that a fully restored duplex ranks among the most valuable vintage towable RVs in existence. Beyond its rarity, the duplex generated stories that bordered on legend. Owners frequently described visitors stopping them at fuel stations, campgrounds, and roadside attractions simply to ask questions. Langley's example continues that tradition today. People see the trailer and often assume it is a custom-built modern creation until they discover it dates back to 1951. As a piece of transportation history, the Lighthouse Duplex deserves enormous praise. It combined innovation, practicality, and elegance decades before the RV industry embraced those ideas on a large scale. More importantly, it still works exactly as intended. That is perhaps the highest compliment any vehicle can receive.